Don't postpone your destiny. Dreams take shape in the flames of urgency. The clock of opportunity never stops. Heed its call. A quick and decisive first step sets the symphony of success in motion. Procrastination steals tomorrow's treasures. Let today be the birthplace of your extraordinary journey. AI Age had 0 subscribers 1 month ago, and now has 300 subscribers who are moved by his content, appreciate him, and even set their own dreams in motion in light of his guidance. Watch this video till the end and learn how to create 20 short video in 1 hour and earn passive income from it. After this video, start a motivational channel and make short videos the way I will show you. After 1 month of watching this video, look back at your progress and be proud of yourself.
To start with, we will collect a selection of inspirational phrases. We will leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT to compile them. Let's reach out to ChatGPT to create a set of motivational statements. I request a set of 10 motivational quotes and add an additional line to each one. Ensuring that each quote has at least 4 lines will help produce more comprehensive video content. Now we have 10 motivational quotes. Let's copy and paste them into Google Docs. Moving forward, our upcoming action involves crafting a persona to serve as our source of motivation and guidance. For this purpose, I intend to utilize Leonardo AI to fashion an avatar. Alternatively, you have the freedom to employ any text-image synthesis tool of your choice. The description I'm providing entails an elderly, sagacious individual gazing out at the audience. This character possesses a snow-white beard and hair, while clutching an aged Tom in one hand and a pencil in the other. The outcome of Leonardo's efforts has yielded 4 distinct avatars for our consideration. I like this avatar very much. I will use this avatar as my motivational speaker, so I am downloading this image. After you have created your avatar, we will create a sample video with Canva. Log into your Canva account and select the video from the home page. Then select the mobile video because it's the perfect ratio for our short video. After coming to the creator page, upload your AI-generated avatar image and then insert the avatar in a canvas and adjust the size. Now increase the video length. I will suggest making it 30 seconds. After all is set, download the sample video. In the next step, we will do a creative voiceover with artificial intelligence. If you can record your own voice, that will be great. Otherwise, you could get help from AI. This time, I will take help from AI and use ElevenLabs AI for voice generation. I've left the link for you in the description. After you create an account on ElevenLabs, you get 10 characters on a trial account. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the first quote. Go back to ElevenLabs and paste the quote into the text board, then press generate and download the audio file. Repeat this for all the quotes, copy and paste them into ElevenLabs and then download the sound clips. I chose a mature male voice because our avatar looks old. I'm not going to play it for you guys right now, but don't break the spell. Sorry guys. We have our perfectly crafted avatar and accompanying voice narration. The next stage involves the dynamic materialization of our personality. To accomplish this, I plan to utilize an existing artificial intelligence resource known as Wave Tulip. To carry out this process, I plan to utilize Wave Tulip's capabilities in Google Colab, a platform familiar to many. Once you have accessed the Google Colab notebook, select Connect to start your runtime. Once connected, proceed by activating the Step 1 Wave Tulip setup functionality via the designated Run button. Rest assured that all relevant tool links are conveniently located within the description for your reference. It will take around 1 minute for processing. After completing it, scroll down the page. Here is YouTube Lip Sync. Avoid this and scroll down again and find Lip Sync your video file. Do not change anything, just hit the Run button. Now upload your sample video footage. After uploading the sample video, come to Step 3 and hit the Run button. Now upload your first audio file. After completing the audio upload, come to Step 4. Don't change anything, just hit the Run button. Now this AI tool will analyze our video and audio file and will create lip sync. This process will take some time. Let's skip this part. Okay, our video is now ready. For downloading the final product, click on the 3-dot menu and select Download. The video will save on your device. Now for generating the second quote, go to Step 3, which means the audio section. Hit the Run button again. Now upload the second audio file and then hit the Run button of Step 4. Do it again and again with all your audio files. I will suggest not using one avatar more than 10 times because YouTube may detect it as reused content, so generate more characters for creating more videos. Okay, so I've created 3 videos. Now we can upload these videos to YouTube, and this can be a great source of passive income. Now let's see the results together. Before that, share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials like this one. Thank you very much for watching. Let's watch.
Life's greatest achievements often arise from stepping outside your comfort zone. Embrace the unknown, for that's where your true potential and growth reside. Remember, you have the power to create your own story. Don't let circumstances define you. Let your actions and choices sculpt the narrative of your extraordinary life. Chase your dreams with a heart full of passion, and watch how your dedication transforms challenges into milestones. Your enthusiasm becomes the wind beneath your wings,